Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to click the like and share button. Buffalo chicken Cobb salad. Transform your favorite wings into a winning salad. Ingredients: 2 c. rotisserie chicken meat, in bite-sized pieces. 1/3 c. cayenne pepper hot sauce. 1 teaspoon. Distilled white vinegar. 6 hard-cooked eggs. 3 stalks celery. 3 small tomatoes. 1 head butter or Boston lettuce. Avocado buttermilk ranch dressing. Directions: in a medium bowl, toss chicken with hot sauce and vinegar until well coated. Slice eggs and thinly sliced celery. Cut tomatoes into wedges or slices. Separate lettuce leaves. Arrange on a large serving platter. Top with eggs, celery, tomatoes, and chicken. Drizzle with avocado buttermilk ranch dressing. If you like our channel, share with your friends, press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Until next time, and remember, a healthy life is a happy life.